We love so many things in life, but guess what we don't love? Yes, we don't love our love handles. Okay, jokes apart, see, if you want to knock off your love handles, your sides, then follow my time-tested formula that is based on exercise science.
I have trained two legends, Saurav Ganguly and Rahul Dravid. My work is put into print, read and recognized. I make fitness fun, not a punishment. I innovate and that triggers interest.
The outset of any strength and conditioning exercise, as a coach, I always thrash out the science behind it. Here also the rule is saying, start the first exercise. Okay, this is called lunge and rotate. Lunge and rotate. Now see, this is firing all the big muscles. Remember, if I want to knock off fat from this side, there is no specific exercise. My target is the big muscles. Okay, and now he does lunge, and as he rotates, he recruits all these obliques. Okay, the quadratus lumborum, and of course, when it rotates, the thoracic spine also rotates. Very nice. So 12 each leg. This is called lunge and rotation. In this program, you don't rest. It's called circuit. So 5 back-to-back exercises. Get on to the next one. Okay, right. Now, if you do not have a dumbbell, you can have this 2-liter water bottles, and this is your resistance. Dumbbell is fine. Hold it there. This is called T, and then abduct your leg. Again, this is a strengthening exercise. We are focusing on strength because the strengthening exercise burns most calories. Now, as it does, this is the sides, the obliques, the quadratus lumborum, and also the sides of the leg. They keep firing in unison. Okay, so 12 of this. This is called T hold with leg abduction. The posture is like a T. This is nice and straight, well aligned, and he keeps abducting the legs up to 30 degrees, not more than that. Even if you are doing it 5 back-to-back exercises in a circuit, do not compromise with the technique and the form. Then the takeaway is less. Any exercise done without the proper form and technique doesn't give you the same dividend if you do it with the right posture. So we slip on to the next exercise. This is called kneel to stand. You see, I executed. This is a kneeling position, tall position. Go here, this, go back. Then with the other leg. So first with the left leg, leading leg, this is the right leg. Now I go there, go there. Okay, now the left leg leads up and go. So friend, come on, do it. Very nice. Go there, very nice. So it's a tall position, get up, and then hip flexion, so it works here. And the essence, as I said, is again same. It is recruiting the big muscles. The bigger the muscle you recruit, the more calories you burn. So you burn more fat, which is really accumulated here. So this goes on. The total count is 24. Now, since you are doing it back to back, this is raising your heart rate. The metabolism is raised. So once the metabolic rate goes up, it burns more calorie. And since these are the strength exercises, the muscle fiber really increases in cross section. So the more the muscle, more the active tissue, the more calorie will burn. Okay, so that is the rule of the thumb. That's why the essence is do your strength exercise, doing circuits so that you achieve your goal. Cool, go. Fourth one. Okay, right. So this is a push-up position, you see. And now 1, 2, good. Again, nice neutral spine, you see. Straight. This is Ramrod straight. Don't turn your hip or trunk, whatever you say. And this again fires this section. And since the whole body comes into play, so that integrates, so total body works from there to there. My aim is to have the body working rather than in isolation. Isolation means working on one muscle. Here you see multiple muscles are working, so it is burning lot calories. Very nice. Total is 24, but this guy is having no respite. He is under the hammer. The next one, okay, so this is called windmill. Take it. Okay, very nice. If you have got the dumbbell, you have both the dumbbells, man, and go. Very nice. So your eyes are on the dumbbell and you're pushing the other dumbbell down. Great. Absolutely. And what happens here? This recruits this part, the thoracic spine. Okay. And this part, which you do not love, the love handle. So that forms its place. Okay, the other side. Perfect. So your vision, eyes on there when the other hand pushes down. So that's great for this mobility of the hip, this part, and strengthens all these obliques. Have trust and faith on what I say. Try this, do this. I say with conviction, this is going to work for you. Keep following us and do press on the subscriber button.